everyone. Today we're going to paint a beautiful elephant. Okay, let's start. Alright, we need black, white, red, blue, green. Okay, and then we need a 2-inch brush, blue, white, a little bit green. Okay, and we start prepare the paper. Alright, just put a lot of paint on your brush like this. Alright, goes right and left using the both side the paint. Okay, and covers all the paper with color. Alright, just like this. Alright, now we put some clouds on. It just no need to wash your brush. Just put some white and smooth out. And then here we use the corner of the brush, get some white, and you just use the corner, just like you're doing check mark. See, look like clouds, simple. Alright. In the bottom, we start with some green. You don't have to wash your brush because you need a lot of paint on the brush. Alright. We cover all and then we wait until it's dry. We come back. Alright, it's all dried up. And now we find a charcoal pencil like this. Alright, let's draw the elephant. Yeah, there's the ear. And then here's the other ear. You don't have to do it exactly. Just make it the shape. Alright, you know where to paint the elephant. Alright. Alright, here we draw the leg and the arm here. Another one here. Alright, and then another leg here. There we go. And we start painting the elephant. Alright, find a smaller brush like this. We start with some black and white. We make some gray. I think this little bit too dark. It's okay. We can do the face first and then later on we cover with light color. Okay? We just cover the face here. Yeah, just like that. You just color everything in the shape you draw. Okay? That's the elephant's face. Okay, here we go. We'll put some light color. We'll do the ear here. And on the other side. And here, see, we can cover the face. Alright? And the trunk here. And then the smaller part, we wait until later we change to a smaller brush to do it. Okay? We'll leave it that way first. And then see the face, we did cover it. Leave some dark on the edge. That's fine. Okay? Yeah, just go on and cover everywhere. That's the first layer of the elephant. Alright? Alright, here we covered all. And then now we get an angle brush. Try to find a smaller one. Alright? And then we'll get dark color. And then we'll do the line on the ear here. Alright? Just on the edges also. Do a little dark color. And on the other side do the same. Alright? Yeah, we're going to shape up the elephant's face with a dark. Yeah, see, now it stands out the face, right? And then here, the elephant's trunk, we also do that. And then put some shallow between the ears, alright? And then between the ear and the head. There we go. And take a little bit into it, okay? It's okay if you did not do it right the first time, and later on you just get some other color and then you can cover it. Alright, don't be afraid to make mistake. There we go. That's for the other one. And the outside edge also, you do it gently, okay, when you do the line on the outside, and lift up your brush just use the point, okay? And then do it so gently so you can do it very thin lines. And there we go, and we draw here the smaller part. Don't worry with the color, okay? We can do light color later on. Alright, here by the curve is a little too dark. We just get some white color and add on. You see the color become lighter, okay? And we put some curve here. Just make the lines, the outside lines darker, alright? And then so you can see where's the arm, alright? Where's the other arm? There we go. And the foot and this side, yeah. See, that's the shape come up, okay? And then now we get some red and a little bit white. We're going to do the inside of the ear, okay? And we're going to make white and red together, make some pink color. All right, we start with the ear here with the pink. Just cover the inside part, okay? Just like that. All right, look good. And we'll move on to the next. Here, remember I said don't afraid to make mistake. You see that part is covered, okay? And then now the ear look much better. Yeah, you can cover easily, all right? There we go, another one. And then we'll get some dark color to do the edges of the ear, all right? And then after that, we need a smaller brush to do the dots, okay? Let's do a little bit shadow here. There we go. And then on the other side, do the same. Yeah. Oops. Okay, on the outside edge here. Okay, now we use the smaller brush. Make some. Oh, I think too light. It add a little bit red. Alright, see, that's perfect. Just dot, okay? Just put a dot here and there, and both sides, alright? Alright, here get another smaller brush. Alright, get black color. We're going to do the hair, alright? You see? Just push and then lift up your brush. And the end is very pointy, okay? Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to shape up everywhere on the outside line, okay? And to make clear. There we go. Just do it all the edges. Okay, here pay attention. I do a few curve lines for the wrinkles, okay? So when you use the smaller brush, you use it very gentle. It could make very thin lines, okay? So it depends how much pressure you do it with the brush, alright? So here we do the eyes and the eyebrow, alright? You see this side press too hard and the eyebrow is thicker, and then so we go back to the other side, we make even, okay? And then the cheek here, get some pink. There we go. And use a smaller brush. Just touch a little bit white on the eye here. You see our elephant is standing out, alright? You did it. And then here we draw a bow on the head. Alright. Just shape up first and then fill it up with dark color and on the outside, and then light color in the inside, okay? Okay, now find the black color, the smaller brush. We're going to do the tail. Okay, there we go. Just draw a circle on the bottom and then center on the top. Alright, just like you're doing the hair. Alright, and then you can go back and shape up a little bit, and then also the bottom here, the line we shape up. Alright, alright, here we'll get some pink, get the elephant nails, got polish. Okay, and then here's the tummy. We also need shape the outside edge. Okay, just go ahead and shape up, and also the fingers here, and then get some light gray and do the color light on the arm. Alright, here we go, and then get some light color. This is like the highlight part. Okay, so on the, yeah, you see, and I only do half. Alright, you see. Alright, here we'll get some highlight for the arm. Alright, another one here, and we put a little bit on the leg. Alright, and on the trunk here, we cover the curves. Okay, later on we get some dark color and line up those 3 curves again. Okay, it's okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, you just have to go back and forth. And then now we get the thin brush. We're going to get some green and do the grass on the back. Okay, so we almost done. Wow, we did it. Alright, see, we just put far away, there one, and it's just like when you do the hair. Okay, and then now we touch a few flowers, just like you put a dot, make a circle, like little flowers there. Okay, there we go, and change to black color, very thin brush. Okay, we're going to do a few birds on the sky, and then we're done. Okay, see this, watch it. Okay, there we go. You just give a little pressure and go up and make another wing. Alright, there, you see that? Go ahead, practice a little more. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, subscribe my channel for more. Alright, bye bye.